I am going to make a video, a series of videos about split time opposites wall plane combinations. For this series, you will need to already know and maybe brush up on the basic patterns. Diamond 4-pedal anti-spin. Also, its cousin, box 4-pedal anti-spin. 2 in-spins on the horizontals. And 2 in-spins on the verticals. Those are all take 3 circles. And if that's confusing, try my step-by-step Beyond the Basics poi spinning course. It goes through all of this stuff, builds it up step-by-step, and it's a great way to learn. You will also need to know the 4 circle patterns. So that is our upward pointing 5-pedal anti-spin and our downward pointing 5-pedal anti-spin. And their cousins, which is in-spins, with the in-spins straight at the top and then on angles at the bottom. And of course the inverse of that, which is in-spin at the bottom and angles at the top, like a Y. So we're going to learn how to put all those together in different formations, all in split time opposites. You will also need really clean poi fu. So people tend to do this arm gets ahead, and you want to be able to make really clean circles where they're always one above the other, and some space inside your arms. And we're going to put it together different ways, and it's going to be fun, and it's summertime, and it's a great time to play poi. These, by the way, are Playpoi 2.0, which are really awesome and they're really bright, which is why they show up so well, and it's going to be fun making these videos with them. And if you decide to get a pair of those, use my code. That's it. So brush up on those patterns, and then we'll see where we can go with it.